Hazak U'Ba'ov. B'ezrat Hashem Mincha today is going to be 5:35. 5:35 for today and for the rest of the week, excluding Purim. But B'ezrat Hashem, today we're going to be having a Siyum Masechet Mazal Tov to Mark Babayev and to Eddie Kaziev that finished Masechet Chagiga, and of course to Rabbi Yoav Babachanov, who was the Melamed Torah Le'amo Yisrael, and a big Hazak U'Baruch to all three of them. And that will be right after the Kaddish. We're going to be doing the Siyum, and there's also going to be a breakfast that is sponsored. Hazak U'Baruch to everybody involved in that. The Halacha of today, as we know, tomorrow is going to be a fast. It's going to be Ta'anit Esther, and we mentioned already the fast is going to start at 5:05, and it's going to be over at 6:14. Although the end time of the fast is not exactly 100% relevant, because we have the reading of the Megillah. And for men, lechatchila, they should finish reading. We should finish reading the Megillah, and then have food. If someone feels that he needs to drink, he could bring a bottle of water, and after 6:14, he could drink. He could say a bracha on it before we start the Megillah. It would be mutar. As far as the women are concerned, though, a lot of the women don't hear the reading the first time. They hear it later, and then the question really comes up: should they or could they eat? So the halacha says one is allowed to eat, but not a meal. So if you want to have a snack, or they want to have even fruits, that's okay. Rice is okay, but to have bread or cake in the amount of 50 grams or more, that should be avoided, because that's already considered achilat keva, and that's not supposed to be done before the fast. But certainly they would be allowed to drink, to eat a little bit, would be perfectly fine before the reading of the Megillah. As it is known, we mentioned about Machatzit HaShekel. Tomorrow we're going to be doing Machatzit HaShekel. Zecher Machatzit HaShekel, to be more correct. She didn't say Machatzit HaShekel, Zecher Machatzit HaShekel. But the amount is going to be $7. The way we get to that amount is that it's 9 grams of silver. And today, about a gram of silver costs around 70 cents. And to be a little bit on the more careful side, so it comes out to a little bit less than $7, but we add a little bit more because we don't want to be exact. Sometimes it fluctuates, sometimes there's differences, so we put $7 as the sort of the minimum amount for Machatzit HaShekel, which is per person. And when a person gives, you should say Zecher Machatzit HaShekel, and then give the $7. And some people take coins. What they do is they take $7 and they put it, and then they take coins, and then they do Zecher Machatzit HaShekel in that fashion. But that's going to be B'ezrat Hashem tomorrow, as well as Matanot La'Evyonim. Anybody that wants to hand in to be fulfilling the mitzvah of Matanot La'Evyonim could hand that in now. It would be the best time to do it. It really should be done before Purim, so that it could be distributed properly on Purim. I can be shaliach to take if anybody wants to give for the Matanot La'Evyonim. Baruch Adonai Le'olam. Amen.